Happy morning to everyone. Welcome to my channel Biotech Info, and today we are going to discuss about the career options after 12th standard. All the students who have finished their 12th standard, this stage is very crucial to make their careers in right path. Because this is a stage where total future is going to depend. So try to take a right decision by taking the opinion from the elders, parents as well as the career counselors. To make it easier, let us take an example. Imagine that you are in a junction and having four options. In that four options, you have to choose one to reach your goal. By choosing that option or that route, you should never feel regretted or confused. So I made this video to help you out from that situation. Do watch this video till the end and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Click the bell icon. If you click the bell icon, you will get the notifications of our upcoming videos. I'm going to give you the tips to make your future brighter. So like and share. First tip is, when you are choosing a career, it should make you feel comfortable, satisfied, and most important, you should enjoy by opting it. Don't follow blindly that all my friends are opting that course, so do I. Don't do that mistake, because now if you take such a decision, in future you're gonna spoil your career for not getting opportunities in that field. You have certain inherent talent in you which is uncomparable with the others. So select which you like. Second step is, I want to say to all the parents that generally what happens when we want to become a doctor, we didn't. So we force our kids to go for the doctor career. And we will discourage them if they are not following our instruction. And even we say that stream is not good, you are not going to get a good opportunities in that particular stream. And also even we will compare with the others who has opted it and they have well settled. So just don't do that. Just give an overview of all the career options and the scope in that particular career and let them decide. Let them decide what the route they want to opt for. Third tip is, do have a clear idea about the new courses according to the National Educational Policy, because they suggested about the integrated courses. So keep a clear cut idea about the policy and the courses. After the PCP, that is physics, chemistry and biology, and PCM, that is physics, chemistry and mathematics courses, that is generally we used to call it as MPC and BPC, most of the children want to become a doctor and an engineer, and they will attempt the NEET examination. And they have a dream, a college in their mind, and if to become the doctor and engineer, and you can reach your goal. Overall, what is the matters is our determination matters everything. So let us get into the latest career options. If you have finished your MPC with the physics, chemistry and mathematics combination, so most of the students, they are going to write the entrance test like MCET, IIT, AEEE, BSAT, Z, etc. And if they are getting a good score and good rank over there, they are eligible for opting the engineering like courses like CSE, IT, ACE, EEE, civil engineering, chemical engineering, etc. These all are conventional courses. But if you want to be unique, if you want to be different from others, if you want to get more opportunities in the course which you are opting for, so better to go for the aeronautical engineering, aerospace engineering, automobile engineering and biomedical, industrial engineering, silk and textile engineering, environmental engineering, where you can see some scope more comparative with the conventional courses. So this is the better option that you can go for. And even the engineering courses students, they have an option of opting the biochemistry and biotechnology. So this is also having a good scope in future also. So this is the how you have to segregate the courses and the opt which is better and which is good in a career point of view, where the opportunities are more, and you can apply for that. And also even we have integrated courses in the best universities. This is how the MPC students can plan. And next one is what? NDA, that is a National Defense Academy, going for Army, Navy and Air Force. But here the age limit is there, like 16 years to 19 years, and also you should have a physical fitness. Let us start with the BPC students who are opting for the medical, that is they want to become the MBBS. If you are getting an opportunities, it's well and good. If not, you can even opt this Unani, homeopathy, Ayurvedic, naturopathy, agriculture, BSc agriculture, dental, veterinary and physiotherapy. These are also having a great demand. And also you can even go for the allied health sciences, like BSc nursing is there, BSc clinical optometry is there, and also biochemistry, biotechnology, even the engineering students are going to have a competition with you. And also BMLT, that is a medical lab technician, and BSc anesthesia technology, etc. you can. And even you can go for the paramedical, that is an X-ray radiologist as well as anesthesiologist. You can opt this one. If suppose you are not opting this, then go for the degree courses, and that is a BSc applied mathematics is there, horticulture, computer science, home science, biochemistry and microbiology. And nowadays what happens, this microbiology, biochemistry is in huge demand. Then comes to the BA. If you are opting for BA, then you can go for the linguistics, economics, psychology and library science. And even you can write a civil services examination. Not only these students will write, but all the students, they can attempt this civil services examination. But you have a grip on the subjects related to the economy, psychology and also the linguistic, which are very crucial for the prelims, mains as well as a preliminary examination of the civil services. Dual degree, if you are not, then you can go for the integrated courses or the dual degrees like BA B.Ed, BSc B.Ed, BA LLB, BCom LLB and also business management and LLB, like that also. And if you are very passionate about the teaching courses, then you can go for the D.Ed, you can go for the B.Ed as well as an early childhood care and education, and also you can go for the physical education training also. If you want to go for the other courses, like you can even go for the home science, generalism. IFLU is offering the courses related to the foreign languages like the Japanese, Italian, German as well as an Arabic and Persian, etc. You can go for that also. And also fashion technology, NIFT is there. If you are interested in making the fashion designing, jewelry designing, interior designing, you can go for that. Film making like animation, editing, script writing, cinematography, choreography and also the directions. Management, that is a finance, like you want to start a new startup, then you have to know about the financial, like financial management is there. If you want to conduct an event manager and also the hotel management. And above all this, even you have a professional courses like CS, CA, where you have the scope and opportunities are more. And also nowadays there is a huge demand of BASLP, that is Bachelor in Audiology and Speech Language Pathology. This course is of 4 years. Nowadays audiologist and speech pathologist is having a high demand, because in cases that we are observing the cases of hearing disorders and also speech disorders, and this course is totally different from the ENT course. Opportunities will be there in an academic universities, medical hospitals, special schools, private sectors. Who are eligible, they are getting for all these courses, they are getting even free reimbursement in the above careers. And finally, in Telangana, for degree admission, online app, that is Dosta, feature called as a real-time face recognition app folio is introduced. Admissions are going on, and also in the 1,167 colleges, and more than 4 lakh seats are available in various streams. So choose the better option. All the best.